इमेज फॉर्मेशन इन द केस ऑफ कॉन्केव मिरर, यही था ना कॉन्केव मिरर। दो इमेज फॉर्मेशन हमने कर लिया था, आज अपन थर्ड इमेज फॉर्मेशन करेंगे, ठीक है। तो मैं डायरेक्ट उसी पे जाती हूँ, ठीक है, पोजीशन एंड ऑल। तो मैं आपको अभी प्रेजेंट कर दूंगी अभी डायरेक्ट, और पहले मैं अपनी वीडियो बंद कर देती हूँ। वीडियो बंद करने में तुम्हारी क्लैरिटी अच्छा हो जाएगा। शेयर करती हूँ मैं अभी, ठीक है। अब मेरा स्क्रीन चेंज हो गया।
The nature, position, and size of images formed by spherical mirrors depends on the position of the object and on whether the mirror is a concave or a convex mirror. The image reflected by a concave mirror is located at the point where at least two reflected rays intersect. When the object is at infinity, the rays reaching the concave mirror.
This is the first case we have discussed. When object is at infinity, infinity means जो पॉइंट दिख रहे हो ना तुम, आपको F फोकस और C सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, उसके बियॉन्ड इंफिनिटी में अगर ऑब्जेक्ट है तो उसी की इमेज कहाँ होगा और उसकी प्रॉपर्टी क्या है, ये हमने देख लिया था।
Mirror from the object will be parallel to the principal axis. The reflected rays meet at the principal focus F. The image formed at F is real and diminished to a point. If the object AB is placed beyond the center of curvature C,
this is the, you can draw it now. This is the point, very important. Now, the object is placed beyond C. This is the position, you can write it down, beyond C. So, we have seen that in order to make the image, at least we need two rays of reflection. Okay, two reflected rays required. And rules also we have learned. When the incident ray that is starting from the object which is parallel to the principal axis go through the focus after reflection. Yeah, this is first one. See, this is that ray. And the other second ray here used is the second ray which is passed through the center of curvature. After the reflection, it again passed through the same path. Okay, so you can see this.
The reflected rays intersect at A dash to form an image A dash B dash.
So you can draw the diagram. It will not take much time. When you draw the diagram in this way, so you can learn it simultaneously. You can make two rays. One is one ray which is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it passed through the focus. Second ray which is passed through the center of curvature. After reflection, it passed through the same path. and these two rays intersect at a particular point, there we get the image. You can see the image, and the image formed is on the same side of the mirror. You can see. Here you can see the position. It is formed between F and C. This is the first point. Second point, what is the nature of the image? It is real and inverted. You can see that it is inverted position. B dash, A dash, B dash. See like this, inverted. And since it is formed at the same side of the mirror, it is real. So this is the second point. It is real and inverted. Third point, what about the size of the image? Look at the size. How is it? Is it same size? It is smaller in size.
Diminished.
We can't say it is diminished. You can write that it is smaller in size compared to object. It is smaller in size compared to object. Okay. You can use the word diminished, but it is, you can see that it is not that much diminished. You can see smaller in size, bracket you can write diminished. This is the position of image. Okay, along with the diagram you can write the position of the image. Second, you can remember the characteristic features of the image. Two features are there mainly, real inverted or virtual or erect. Here it is real and inverted. Second feature is size. How is, what about the size? Is it same size, less, smaller in size, or it is larger in size? Here you can see that it is smaller in size. Okay. So I hope diagram बन गया होगा आप लोगों का. बन गया? अब कोई unmute करके बता दो. Diagram बन गया? क्योंकि हाँ, चैट बॉक्स अभी मैं देखना नहीं चाहती हूँ यहाँ से.
मैम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स बता दीजिए इमेज के.
This reflected image is real, inverted, and dim.
So you can use all these are the characteristic features. See, in the case of diminished, there you can write it is smaller in size compared to object, or real and it is inverted. First आपको position लिखना है. Image कहाँ form हो गया? It is formed between F and C. लिख लिया. आगे बढ़ू सौरभ.
मैम एक मिनट.
हाँ, it's okay.
Yes मैम हो गया.
Okay, so let us come to the next position of object.
Diminished. When an object is at
This is the next position. Object is placed at the center of curvature. Okay, you can see that object AB, it is there at C only, center of curvature. And two rays we can use here. One ray is already made, which is parallel to the principal axis. After the reflection, it passed through the focus. Okay. See the second
the center of curvature, or C, the reflected rays.
Here we can use the second ray, which is passing through the focus. After reflection, the reflected ray moving parallel to the principal axis. You can see the purple colored line, and that is the line which represents the ray which is passing through the focus, and after reflection it is moving parallel to the principal axis. And look at the point of interception. Both the reflected ray meet at the point where we get the image. Coincidentally here, the image is formed at the same position C, and I'll tell you the nature. Object is at C, object is formed at the center of curvature. The image is formed at C, same, and it is real and inverted, and it is of same size as that of the object. It is of same size. When you draw the diagram, ray diagram, accurately, you will get the position exactly at C. Okay. Now let us see the complete diagram.
Intersect at A dash to
Now you can draw the diagram. Try to up intersect जबरदस्ती नहीं करवाना. If you draw it particularly accurately, then you will get the point of intersection at C. डायग्राम बनाने के लिए मैं 2 मिनट देती हूँ, बना लो जल्दी. ठीक है. ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन एट सी, ए बी इंडिकेशन, और इमेज ए डैश बी डैश आएगा. Real inverted. Real because we can catch it on a screen. Inverted position because it is formed at the same side of the screen, same side of the mirror. Sorry. Then size, you can see that the size of the object and image are same. From the figure, you can write down the properties. Okay, 3 properties. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is the order. Where it is located means where we get the image. Second is whether it is real inverted or erect or virtual. Last point is regarding the size. Here it is of same size as that of the object. Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
डायग्राम बना के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ इमेज खुद लिखिएगा. कंप्लीट करने के बाद कोई बच्चे बता देना कंप्लीटेड. ठीक है.
मैम डन.
हाँ, गर्ल्स में से कोई बता दो.
मैम
मैम
सच्ची. हाँ, ओके. हाँ
मैम जब ऑब्जेक्ट इन्फिनिटी पे रहेगा,
हाँ,
तो जो इमेज बनेगी वो रियल और इन्वर्टेड होगी.
obviously because where it is formed, where the image is formed at that case.
मैम
कहाँ form होगी तो याद है, फोकस में है ना, है ना. ये फोकस कहाँ पे हो कॉनकेव मिरर का?
मैम लेफ्ट
सेम
साइड
साइड है ना. इट इज इन द सेम साइड और नॉट?
यस मैम, यस मैम.
ठीक है. सो वो रियल होगा, इन्वर्टेड होगा, हाईली डिमिनिश्ड होगा, है ना.
ओके मैम.
1 मिनट के लिए मैं स्टॉप करती हूँ. Okay. Have you seen the screen now? Visible है ना? सौरभ?
यस मैम.
हाँ, ठीक है. कोई भी
Yes, ma'am.
रिस्पॉन्ड जल्दी बता दो क्योंकि it was very urgent. That's why I go back to the class. You know that why I came back. So this is all about this position. Now let us think about the next position. Let us
form an image at C. This image is real, inverted, and of the same size as the object. If the object is between C,
This is the next position you can mention when the object is placed between center of curvature and the focus. See, you can see the size of the object. It is small in size. So try to draw as it is, same. Because there is a logical reason behind that. We will see it after 2 minutes. Why is it so small? Okay. You can see that the object is placed between F and C and draw the diagram simultaneously. First ray which is used to form the image is a ray of light which is moving parallel to the principal axis after reflection pass through the focus. Means reflected ray pass through the focus. This is the first ray. Now let us see what about the second
E
ray.
and F, the reflected rays intersect at A dash to form an image.
Now you can see that second position is, second ray is the ray which is passing through the center of curvature. After reflection, it again the reflected ray going through the same path. So you can see that the same ray, you can see the two different type of arrows. Now you got it why the object is small in size, so that it is convenient to draw image formation. Okay. Now you can draw the diagram. Now you can see where is it located. It is located beyond C. So you can write it down in this way. If when the object is placed between center of curvature and focus, you can use the symbols C and F. Image is formed beyond C. First point, that means location of the image. It is formed beyond C. Second point is it a real and inverted or virtual and erect? Say.
Inverted sir, ma'am.
It is real and inverted, isn't it? It is formed at the same side of the concave mirror. Now, third point is, what about its size? You can see the size. It is larger in size. Or we can say that it is a magnified image. Just like a diminished, here we can use the terminology magnified. Magnified image. Or we can say that the image is larger in size as that of the object. Image is larger in size. Now you can draw the diagram, ray diagram. All ray diagrams are important.
मैम डन।
हाँ, वेरी गुड। अब बॉयज में से कोई बता दो, शिवम, जतिन, इनमें से कोई बता दो। कार्तिकेय, ये सौरव तो जल्दी जल्दी बना लेते, बहुत अच्छे बना लेते।
मैम बता दी। मैम 2 मिनट 1 मिनट।
हाँ, that's why I know. Characteristic features you can write it by yourself. Okay, no need to waiting for the slide. Next slide. We know that which are the properties. So write it down yourself.
Ma'am, done.
Ah, very good. Karthikeyan, what about you?
I'm done.
Done. Okay.
This image is real, inverted, magnified, and is formed beyond the center of curvature C. If the object is placed at F,
this is the next position. When the object is placed at the focus, then what will happen? Okay, object is placed at the focus. Then what will happen? Okay, you can remember the order. First it is at infinity, beyond C, at C, between F and C. Now it is at F. What will happen? See,
Parallel reflected rays are formed that will never meet.
now you can see that here we are again using two rays for the image formation. Which are the two rays? Same. One ray which is going parallel to the principal axis, go through the focus after reflection. Another which is moving through the center of curvature, the reflected ray also take the same path. But you can see these two lines are moving parallel. See that it never meet now. Okay. Now let us see what will happen.
Hence, a real, inverted, and highly magnified image
Now, from the figure, it is clear that it is moving parallel, but somewhere it is formed at the same side of the mirror, or somewhere it is intersect at infinity. Therefore, that we can't draw the diagram properly, we can draw up to this and we can mention the position of the image as the image is formed at infinity. Similarly, maybe you remember that first case we have done where the object is placed at infinity. There we have drawn it schematic way. But here, if it is formed at the infinity, we can't draw it. Now, what are the properties of the image which is formed? Since it is formed in the same side, it is real and inverted. So from the lines, two reflected lines, we can guess that it is highly magnified. The size is very, very large as compared to the object. So this is more than sufficient for the characteristic features of the image that you can mention. First one, when I am explaining this simultaneously, you can listen and we can draw it. Okay. Then the image is formed at infinity when the object is placed at focus. And the characteristic features are the image is real and inverted, or it is, second point is highly magnified. So this is all about the characteristic features of image. Okay. Now try to draw it, because we can say that it is an incomplete diagram. Okay. But somewhere else we hope that it is intersect at these two lines intersect at infinite. Okay. Draw the diagram and inform me. Okay.
I'm done.
Ma'am,
Done. Good. गर्ल्स में से कोई बताओ.
Ma'am, done. Done.
Simone, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. चलो आगे बढ़े अपन.
is formed at infinity. If the object is placed between the principal focus F
Now this is the next case. You can see that it is now we are moving near to the mirror. Now which is the place left now? The object is placed between pole and the focus. Locate the see the position of the object. It is slightly moving towards the focus, so that we will get a perfect diagram. Okay, so the object is placed between pole and focus. Now what will happen? Again, the rule is same. Here we are using the first ray. Which is the ray? The ray which is moving through the center of curvature. After reflection, it takes the same path. Then afterwards, see which ray we can use.
and the pole P, the reflected rays
So when a ray of light which is passing through the pole, after reflection, what will happen? It will make the same angle and make the same reflected angle and moves into the same side. Again, we can see that there is no chance of meeting these two reflected rays in the same side of the mirror. Then where they have to meet? They have to meet at the opposite side of the concave mirror. You can see that two reflected ray. We extrapolate means we extend the rays to the other side so that they intersect at a particular point. So there is no restriction that where they have to meet. So you can see it must be a position which is in the other side. In this particular way, you can draw the diagram. Okay. Now you can see the position of the image.
Intersect to form an image behind the mirror at A dash.
This is the position of the image. Now it is very clear that first is position of images. It is formed in the other side of the mirror. And second is it real and inverted? No. It is formed in the other side. It never catch on a screen. So it is formed in the other side. That's why it is virtual and erect. Erect means जैसे ही ऑब्जेक्ट दिखते हैं वैसे ही उसकी इमेज भी दिख रहे हैं same way. And it is erect. Erect means सीधे. And it is virtual. Virtual means we can't catch it on a screen. इसके बाद size. What about the size? You can see that it is magnified. Magnified, or you can remember it is bigger than that of object. It is larger in size as compared to the object. अब पिक्चर बना लो, रे डायग्राम बना लो, और उसके बाद कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स अपना मन से लिखो. फिर इसकी स्लाइड में आ जाएगी तो टैली करके देखना मैं कहाँ गलत हो गई. ठीक है
मैम? ये तो कल भी बना लिया था.
ये बनाया था, एक बार वापस
मतलब
देख. बनाया?
यस मैम.
अच्छा ओके, बनाया तो मत बना लो. ठीक है,
यस मैम.
श्योर है ना? चलो.
Yes, ma'am. When object is placed between focus and
हाँ
pole
ओके
of the concave mirror.
ओके. हाँ
This is a virtual, upright, and highly magnified image.
this is the summary of what we have learned now. See, very important. On the basis of this chart, or on the basis of this image formation, how the questions will come. Where the object has to be placed for getting a virtual and erect image in the case of concave mirror. One question. Okay. Second question is where have to keep the object so that we get the image of same size. Second question. So this is the way you can frame questions from the chart. Or ray diagram is also there. Draw ray diagram of the image formation in the case of concave mirror where the object is placed between F and C. Okay, so because between F and C there is only one case where we get a diminished image. So we can frame another question in the case of concave mirror where we have to keep the object so that we get a highly diminished image. Okay, so in this way questions will come. So you have to learn, try to understand the ray diagram and understand this chart. It is also there in the book also. So as you wish, it is there in the book. You can refer the book also, or you can make a table yourself. Okay.
In the case
Now let us think about the convex mirrors. We can write the heading, image formed by convex mirrors. Convex mirror. Okay.
Of a convex mirror, the image is located at the point from which at least two reflected rays appear to diverge. If the object is at infinity, the reflected rays are divergent and appear to diverge from the principal. In the case of a convex mirror, the image is located at the point from which at least two reflected rays appear to diverge.
So this is the diagram. Only two ray diagrams we have to learn from convex mirrors. One is the images formed by convex mirror. You can see the first case. Okay. So in this case, you can look at the position of the image. It is formed there. Where it is formed? It is formed in the other side. Okay, reflected side. And object is placed where? In this side. So you can draw the diagram, and here you remember, in the case of convex mirror, we have a focus, and this particular mirror is called a diverging mirror. Means the reflected rays appears to be meet at a particular plane. Appears. मतलब तो हकीकत में वो meet नहीं कर रहे. How will you come to know that it is really not meet? Solid lines means they are really meet. In the case of concave mirror, or most of the lines are solid lines. And in this case, you can see that the reflected rays, here we are extending the reflected rays, and they meet at a particular point. Okay, so this is the ray which is moving parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it is passing through the focus. It is not exactly passing, it is appears to pass through the focus. Second ray of light, which is passing through the center of curvature, take the same path after reflection. And these two lines intersect at a point which is almost coming between P and F. You can see that. And here you get the image. So this is all about the ray diagram of, first ray diagram of convex mirror. Okay.
If the object is at infinity, the reflected rays are divergent and appear to diverge from the principal focus behind the convex mirror.
This is
मैम हमें
the
वाला बनाना था.
पहले बना दिया, बनाए नहीं.
नहीं मैम वाला नहीं बन पाया मैम.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, ये आपकी बुक में है, बस आप इतना ही समझ लेना. कॉन्वेक्स मिरर के केस में सिर्फ हमें दो रे डायग्राम बनाना है. ठीक है, सबसे पहले रे डायग्राम में और मिरर की पोजीशन देखो, उसकी रिफ्लेक्टेड सरफेस देखो, देख लिया. सो यहाँ पे पहले केस में क्या होगा, इमेज बिहाइंड द मिरर फॉर्म हो गया, बिहाइंड द मिरर. अब यहाँ पे कहाँ फॉर्म हो गया देखो, वो कार्तिकेय वो डायग्राम बाद में बना देना. ठीक है, एंड इफ यू हैव डाउट वी विल क्लियर इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास इफ यू कांट ड्रॉ. ठीक है, मैं बोर्ड में बना के बता दूंगी. ठीक. So yes, in this case, if the object is placed at infinity, then where the image is formed, you can see that it is formed at the focus. Here we are using same sort of line moving parallel to the principal axis after reflection passing through the focus. Here we have used two rays. One is from above the plane, another is below the plane. So here we get the image.
The image formed at F is virtual, upright.
So you can see that it is virtual and upright. and it is highly diminished. Virtual and it is erect and highly diminished, and it is formed at the focus. Okay, these two ray diagram you can do as a homework. Only two ray diagrams are there.
and diminished to a point. If the object is placed at any finite distance in front of the mirror, the reflected rays intersect at a point A dash, forming a virtual image A dash B dash.
This we have seen already. Okay, so this is all about the diagram.
This image will always be virtual, upright, and diminished, whatever its distance from the mirror.
We have seen this, and it is summary. Summary is given here. Only two positions are there. Position of the object at infinity, and it is placed between the infinity and pole. Infinity and pole means we can't say it as focus or C, because it is always behind the mirror, other side. In this case, the rays are appears to be neat, and it is not a converging mirror. It is a diverging mirror. So in these are only two cases. Both the cases we are getting image of the same nature, virtual and erect, and almost they are highly diminished even. Okay, so this is all about today's class. I am coming back to your class. Stop sharing. So all the ray diagrams are